Setting up your EETV Box Pro requires just a few simple cable connections. We'll walk through each step to get you connected and streaming. Here's your EETV Box Pro. This sleek device will be the hub of your entertainment system, supporting everything from HD to 4K content. The primary connection you'll need is an HDMI cable. Always use the HDMI cable supplied with your EETV Box Pro for optimal performance and compatibility. Connect the HDMI cable from the HDMI port on your EETV Box Pro to any available HDMI port on your television. This single cable carries both video and audio signals. Next, you'll need to connect your EETV Box Pro to your home network. You have two options: Ethernet cable for the most stable connection, or Wi-Fi for wireless convenience. For the most stable streaming experience, especially with 4K content, use an Ethernet cable to connect directly to your router. This provides consistent, high-speed internet access. Alternatively, you can connect via Wi-Fi. The EETV Box Pro now supports Wi-Fi 6 technology, providing improved stability and faster speeds compared to older Wi-Fi standards. Once your cables are connected, you'll need to select the correct HDMI input on your television. Use your TV remote to access the Input or Source menu. Look for the Source or Input button on your TV remote. Press this button to cycle through the available HDMI inputs until you find the one connected to your EETV Box Pro. The EETV Box Pro features automatic resolution detection, supporting everything from 720p HD to full 4K Ultra HD. It will automatically adjust to match your TV's capabilities for the best possible picture quality. That's it. With your HDMI cable connected, network setup, and TV input selected, your EETV Box Pro is ready to deliver high-quality entertainment. The automatic resolution detection ensures you'll always get the best picture your TV can display. Once your EETV Box Pro is connected, press the power button to turn it on. The device will boot up and display initial setup prompts on your TV screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your device and set up your EE account. The Setup Wizard will guide you through connecting to your network and signing in to your EE services. The EETV Box Pro will automatically detect your TV's resolution capabilities, supporting everything from HD to 4K. You can access display settings through the main menu to make adjustments if needed. If your TV supports HDR, make sure to enable it in the display settings. This will provide enhanced color and contrast for compatible content, giving you the best possible viewing experience. For the best audio experience, especially with soundbar systems, connect to your TV's HDMI ARC port. This audio return channel allows for high-quality audio transmission and simplified control. Finally, enable automatic firmware updates in the system settings. This ensures your EETV Box Pro receives the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements automatically.